Hello everyone, let's start with our next topic, that is Bohr's atomic model. There are three postulates of Bohr's atomic model. First postulate is electrons can revolve around the nucleus but only in those orbits in which the angular momentum of electron is an integral multiple of h upon 2 pi. So, as you know, the angular momentum is mvr. It must be equal to integral multiple of h upon 2 pi, means here n is an integer. All the things are explained over here. Angular momentum is mvr, m mass of electron, v velocity of electron, r radius of orbit, n an integer, h is Planck's constant. Second postulate is while revolving in stable orbits, electrons do not radiate energy as they should, but they do not radiate any energy because their velocity is perpendicular to the radius. Means the acceleration, which is centripetal acceleration, is acting perpendicular to the velocity, which does not require any energy to revolving of electron around the nucleus. Hence, atom remains stable. Third postulate, when an electron receives energy from outside, then it leaves its orbit and goes to some higher energy level. Means if any electron receives some energy, it moves from lower energy level to higher energy level. This state of atom is called excited state. The 10 raised to power minus 8 seconds and return back to its original lower orbit after emitting energy equal to the difference of energies between those two orbits. As you know, the distribution of energy is different for different orbits. Lower orbit has lower amount of energy and higher orbit have higher amount of energy. So whenever any electron jumps from higher energy level to lower energy level, it must radiate some energy, and the amount of energy radiated by that electron will be equal to the difference of energies of those two levels. If any electron returns from any higher orbit of energy E2 to any lower orbit of energy E1, then the energy radiated by the electron, as you know, the energy is always radiated in terms of photons. So energy radiated by electron is h nu. H nu is the energy of photon, must be equal to E2 minus E1. E2 is energy of higher orbit and E1 is energy of lower orbit. So that is all for this topic. Thank you.